Replacing a faucet cartridge is straightforward, but installing it backward, or buying one that only looks similar, can leave you with another leak. Follow these steps in order. First, find the faucet's brand and model number so you can purchase the exact cartridge. Then close both shutoff valves beneath the sink. Open the faucet to release trapped pressure and confirm that the water is completely off. Cover the drain and remove the handle. The screw may be beneath a decorative cap or hidden behind a small set screw. Place each component aside in the order you remove it. Next, remove the retaining nut or clip holding the cartridge in place. Take a clear picture of the cartridge's orientation before pulling it out. If it is stuck because of mineral buildup, use the correct cartridge pulling tool instead of twisting it aggressively and damaging the faucet body. Clean loose deposits from the cartridge opening with a soft cloth. Apply plumber-approved silicone grease only if recommended for that cartridge. Align the tabs or markings correctly, press the replacement fully into position, and reinstall the retaining clip or nut. Reattach the handle, keep the faucet open, and slowly restore the water supply. Let the water run briefly, then test the handle, temperature direction, and surrounding area for leaks. Like this guide before starting, it is much easier to follow the order than reconstruct the faucet from memory.